Hello guys, it will be a new video, a new review of a new hotel, Hovima La Pinta Beachfront, the hotel in Canary Islands in Tenerife. Today I will show you different type of rooms. I will show you the territory, the spectacular view of the sea and mini clubs. So let's go!
Hovima La Pinta Beachfront Family Hotel is a family-friendly apartment hotel on the Adeje coast in the popular San Eugenio area of Tenerife. Set on the island's southwest coast, the hotel is steps away from the Playa de la Pinta. The sandy beach on the Atlantic Ocean has generally calm and clear waters. You can catch the fish, for example, this, up, and to read about the place is really awesome because it's a street very active. There is a lot of cafes, restaurants, everything is here. It's only 1 minute and you're in the central of Costa Adeje. It's a view from reception. Okay guys, there's a standard sea view room. All room has own room. There's a kitchen corner with microwave, with fridge, with all you need for your holiday. And look at this view. It's awesome. The main pool and the children's pool. Family 1-bedroom apartments. So it's the same like a standard, but it has more space. Rooms are really very nice. It has a lot of light. I like it. The same kitchen corner and the view. You can have this view or to the garden. The garden view is more private, but this view you can directly go to your pool and your children can play right here. When you, for example, have tea time or coffee time. There's a view of the family rooms in the other side. Tranquilo. More space. Mini club. Oh, it's soft. It's soft. Everything's soft. You know why I like reviews of the hotel? Because I can do like this. Very nice. Very nice space for the kids. It's really it's awesome. Baby club for children from 6 months to 3 years. This area will be for the children and they can run there and do what they want. So I think it will be awesome. Excellent room. Let's go. So this room has 2 bedrooms, 1 living room with an amazing view. I will show you. Kitchen corner, express machine, espresso machine, you know, with a coffee. Two bathrooms. One room, another. Beach towels I include in excellent rooms. In another type of rooms, it is in the bodies deposit, 20 euros per towel. So let's look. Wow. We have our own sunbeds. The best room in a hotel. Let's go. It has 3 bedrooms. I don't know where to go. Okay, I will go here. Master bedroom with their own bathroom. With a great view. Then I will show you terrace. Next bedroom. And living room with a kitchen corner, with a big living room area, 1 more bedroom, and view. Now I will go to the balcony. So, one space, the view of the hotel. Then we go to the beach view. There's 4 sunbeds right here